Hello guys, welcome back to SRK Photos YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit a sky or how to add birds in a photo. You can see before one and the after one. It looks amazing. It's very easy guys, just watch the video till the end. Let's start. After opening Snapseed app, you will see this interface. Now to open a photo, just click on open and select your photo. First step, go to the tool section and select brush tool. Select exposure, increase the percentage and just brush on the sky. Basically, before adding a sky, we are making this face white, so when we add a sky, it will match perfectly. Brush neatly by adjusting percentage. Okay, you can see before one and the after one. Okay, once it's done, just click on apply. Now we are going to add a sky. For that, just go to the tool section, scroll down and select double exposure tool. Click on open image and select sky photo. I have given sky photo and bird photo download link in description. You can download it from there. Okay, after adding sky, you will see this interface. Now click on style and select subtract style. Click on opacity level. Just increase it little. Okay. You can adjust the sky by dragging like this. Okay. And simply click on apply. Now click on edit stack, view edits, double exposure, brush. Click on invert, again click on invert. You will see this interface. Okay, now just increase the percentage and start brushing around the sky like this. By the way guys, if you are watching our videos and if you haven't liked, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, then do it guys. It motivates me a lot to make more videos for you. Also do check out our Telegram and WhatsApp group for more Snapseed tips and tricks. To erase, just decrease the percentage and you can brush and you can erase like this. Once it's done, just click on apply. Now now we are going to add birds. For that, just go to the tool section, click on double exposure tool, click on open image and select birds. I have given birds photo download link in description. Just place it neatly. Click on style and select subtract style and simply click on apply. Now again click on edit stack, view edits, double exposure, brush. Click on invert. Now first decrease the percentage and erase this bar. Okay, after that, now just brush on the bird you want, and birds you don't want, just decrease the percentage and erase it like this. Once it's done, just click on apply and you can see the result before and after, before and after. And to save the picture, just click on this download symbol and simply click on export.